Welcome once again to Cast Cooking. Today, well, tomorrow, now I'm making marinade for chicken wings. Tomorrow we're going to throw them on the offset smoker. They're going to be bomb. Making our own buffalo marinade. We're going to let them sit in the fridge overnight and we're going to get them on the smoker. Stay tuned. For our marinade, we're going to dump it all in a gallon Ziploc bag here. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. 1/4 cup of buffalo wing sauce. 1 just under a tablespoon. Well, you know, we'll go a little heavy, I guess, on that. I say 3/4 of a tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Once you get all your ingredients in your Ziploc bag, go ahead and add your chicken wings. I bought full chicken wings and I cut the little end flaps off, and I separated the drumettes from the actual wings themselves. Got about maybe 25 or 30 wings here. Rinsed them, washed them, let them dry out with paper towel. Still a little juices running off in here. That's alright. Get them all in the bag. Once you get them all in the bag, you want to squeeze out as much air in the bag as possible. Let's get that. Let me get this glove off here. Get as much air out as possible. Just mix all that goodness up together. Alright, once they're all nice and mixed up, worked around, make sure you get that marinade over all the wings in the bag. Throw them in the fridge. You can do it for 3 or 4 hours. Me, I'm going to leave them in the fridge overnight. We're going to get them on the smoke tomorrow. So we'll see y'all then. Alright, so our smoker's up to temp. We're reading about 300, 301. It's perfect. So we're going to get the wings out here, and I'm going to set them closer to the firebox. They'll cook a little fast, but that's okay. I got a chuck roast over here, 2 chuck roasts over here that I'm putting on. So we're gonna put the wings on this side. Yeah, we'll get them on here and we'll check them closer to when they're done. All right, let me show you what I got going here. Got the wings on there. They are close to the firebox, so I am going to be frequently checking those, and we might do some rotating around. We're gonna flip them over, rotate them around so they kind of cook evenly, help them cook evenly. As you can see over here, I got the chuck roast, so those are going to take a long time. These are going to be a lot faster. So I'll keep an eye on these and we'll flip them when necessary. Alright, after a couple hours, the wings are looking good. Got a nice color to them. So I might leave these on here for a little longer. I'm going to take one off, actually. We'll check the inside of that. Well, that sucker's a little hot. We'll check the inside of them to make sure they're completely done, but looking pretty good. Alright, it's been about another 15 minutes and I would say these are done. I took 2 off, ate them inside. They are juicy and delicious. Try out that marinade. It's pretty good stuff. I'm gonna get these inside, plate them up, and eat them. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe. See you next time.